I'm Dr. Chad, and I'm a pediatric dentist at Puget Sound Pediatric Dentistry. I have lived here for 5 years. I'm originally from Tennessee. I decided to exchange the Smoky Mountains for the Cascade Mountains. I enjoy spending time with my dogs, being outside, being in the mountains or on the lake, and you'll always find me with a coffee in hand. You know, I became a pediatric dentist because I feel like I'm a big kid at heart. I really like working with the kids. I love seeing the smiles on their faces when they come in and they accomplish something. And to me, I feel like I can make a difference in their lives. So I really just enjoy getting to know my patients and really enjoy growing with them as they grow. Oh, my favorite part of the day, I really love when a kid comes in and they weren't able to do something the last time they were here and they have a great experience the next time they're here. I love when they look at me or their parents and say, I did it. And to me, that is my entire goal as a pediatric dentist, is to make sure that they are not only great pediatric patients, but patients for the rest of their lives going to the dentist. I genuinely like hanging out with my patients. I always start every appointment that my name's Dr. Chad. I'm gonna be hanging out with you for a few minutes because truly, that's what I like to do is hang out with them, get to know them. To me, a patient is not just a set of teeth in the chair. I want to know about their dogs at home and their families and what they like. And so my favorite part of the day is just getting to know my patients and just learning more about them. I think by patients, the number one question I get asked is this gonna hurt? And what I tell them is absolutely not. I do everything in my power to make sure that this is a very comfortable experience for you. And we have so many tools. I tell parents all the time, try not to tell your kids too much because we have a circus show around here of information and we have different words for different tools. And so whenever I get asked, is it gonna hurt? I'll guarantee my patients that 99.9% of the time, no. From parents, the number one question I get asked is about shark teeth and about extra teeth in the mouth. And I tell parents this happens a lot. The teeth do not always grow in exactly straight and exactly how we want them to. They kind of do their own thing a lot. And so that is one question I get a lot, and that almost always works out just fine. I love going above and beyond for my patients and seeing their reactions. So whether that's me dressing up like Buddy the Elf or the Grinch one year, those were both great experiences that they got to see me not as Dr. Chad, but as a different character, which I enjoyed. But then also, I really just love the patients coming in and they're just so excited to, be here, right? So those are some of my favorite stories. It's just a kid running in, Dr. Chad, how have you been? And they're just as excited to see me as I am to see them. I don't have one specific story of that, but I think that happens, quite often to where that makes my day every time, to where I know they're excited just as much as I'm excited to see them. Puget Sound Pediatric Dentistry is truly a family. Not only do the staff get along, the front desk and the back staff, the doctors as well, but also we treat our patients like family. And to me, I know these kids, I know their parents, I know about their dogs and their cats and where they go to daycare and what sports they play. And so I think that's what I love about PSPD, but I also think that's what sets us apart. When you come here, you're not just another number, you're not just another set of teeth that we're gonna clean. You're part of us, and in those 30 minutes that you're here, you're part of our family, and that's what I think makes it great to work here. I've told parents this before, is that, the visit doesn't just start here at the office. The visit starts at home, right? So when parents talk us up and say, hey, Dr. Chad, he's a really cool guy, you're gonna have a great time with him, I promise I will put everything I have into an appointment, making it great, as long as they do it at home as well. And that's the ultimate goal, right? Is we want all of our patients to have a fun time. I want them to come in and I want them to leave saying, I can't wait to come back next time. So if I do that every day, then my mission is accomplished.